Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about carbon compounds. So you know that the element carbon can exist in our day to day life in fossil fuel. You can see that fossil fuel, petrol, diesel, kerosene, they are all made of what? Carbon, hydrocarbons, and the wood is made of hydrocarbon because the carbon compounds, otherwise they are classified as what? Organic compound. Understand? So the organic compounds are extracted from the living organism like plants and animal. So even in our body also the cells, the hemoglobin, everything is going to be made of one, the carbon only. Our body is also made of carbon. If any substance if we burn, that gives what? Black smoke means that contains what? Carbon. So while compare the number of carbon compounds with other inorganic compounds, the number of carbon compound is more than what? The remaining because of the properties. So what are the properties? Because of catenation. Catenation, the carbon can reunite with the number of carbon atom because the carbon-carbon bond strength, the dissociation energy for carbon is higher. You can see that remaining nitrogen and nitrogen, sulfur and sulfur, oxygen and oxygen, this also can reunite, but the bond energy is going to be greater. The energy required for breaking carbon-carbon bond is higher than the remaining nitrogen, silica, sulfur, oxygen, so that it can form a stable compound with n number of molecules, the polymer. So one of the property is catenation. Because of the catenation, the number of carbon compound exists is more. And next one is they can due to the tetravalency. It can combine itself as well as with hydrogen, or it can make four bonds. So due to the tetravalency of carbon can make 4 bond with 4 different group or within the same atom or with hydrogen. So due to this property, while compare the number of carbon compound is more than what? The remaining compound, and it can be combined with hydrogen, otherwise it is called as what? Hydrocarbons. Methane gas is one of the hydrocarbon, petroleum gas, hydrocarbons only. And other than some other elements also involved in forming the compound is oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. While compare the number of elements involved in carbon compound is very few. So what are the carbon, hydrogen? These two are the backbone of the carbon compound or organic compound, other than oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. The general expression of halogen is X. So only few elements is going to involve, but while compare the number of compound is more due to this property. And next we are going to learn about that general characteristic property of that organic compound. While compare, so they all can form by the covalent bond. So the number of here the carbon compound can be the carbon atom is going to reunite to form a large molecule. So the molecular mass, the organic compound, the molecular mass is going to be depends upon the structure, that is based on the number of carbon atom linked in this compound, and then they are mostly insoluble in water. They are insoluble because they are formed by the covalent compound. Already you know the property of covalent. They are insoluble in water and they are soluble in organic solvent. Like ether, carbon tetrachloride, toluene, etc. These are, so they are insoluble in water and soluble in organic compound, and they are highly inflammable in nature. So the combustible temperature the combustible temperature is very low, so that they are highly inflammable. We can burn a gallon of petrol within a spark of fire. Understand? So because of the combustible temperature is very low, so that they are highly inflammable, and the organic compounds are less reactive when compared to the inorganic compound. They are very less reactive because due to the formation of the weak covalent bond, they are unstable, so that they are less reactive, and the reactions involved in this compound is the slow rate, the rate of the reaction. The rate of the reaction also is going to be very slow, and already I told that they are going to be bound with what? Covalent bond. Due to that covalent bond, they all have very low melting and boiling point. Due to low melting and boiling point, they are volatile in nature. Volatile means their boiling point or melting point is below the room temperature, so that they can evaporate. They can evaporate in the room temperature. Due to low melting and boiling point, they are what? Volatile nature. And next, organic classification of organic compound. How the organic compounds are classified based on their structure. So they are classified as acyclic or open cyclic. Open cyclic if they are bound with what? Cyclic compound like this. So this can be bound with what? Hydrogen. Tetravalency. So you have to calculate the tetravalency, 1 with carbon and 3 with hydrogen. Here 3 with carbon, 1 hydrogen, CH2, CH3. So acyclic. So acyclic, straight chain. Understand? And the cyclic compound or closed chain, CH2, CH2. So this is closed chain. Cyclic, acyclic or straight chain compound and cyclic compound, and this can be again classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means the compound, the carbon, the bond between carbon and carbon is single bond. If the compound contain carbon-carbon single bond, means they are called at what? Saturated. And if the compound contain double bond and triple bond, is called what? Unsaturated. Now you see this here, CH3, CH2, CH3, propane. The name of the compound is propane, and CH2, CH2. This one is CH, CH. So saturated, unsaturated. The open chain compound can be classified as saturated, unsaturated. Saturated means the carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated means if the compound with carbon-carbon double bond as well as carbon-carbon triple bond. So this is based on this saturated and unsaturated. The cyclic compound, carbocyclic compound, only it contains what? Carbon atom, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen, you can see this. This is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, it contains what? Only carbon and hydrogen alone. And cyclobutane. Cyclobutane means one, 4 carbon, CH2, so this is cyclobutane. So in this compound only carbon and hydrogen. Then heterocyclic compound, the ring contain other than what? Carbon and hydrogen. Now fire it in furan. In this what is going to present? Sulfur. Understand? And phosphorus. So these are all other oxygen or this So other than carbon and hydrogen, here CH2, CH. So other than carbon, hydrogen, some of the other element like what, sulfur, phosphorus or oxygen are present in the cyclic compound. They are called as what, heterocyclic compound. Again this carbocyclic compound is called what, acyclic and aromatic. Aromatic means what, the benzene ring, the C6H6 group. What is this, benzene C6H6, the alternate bond, and each CH, 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 so that 6 carbon with 6 hydrogen. So the one of the classification of organic compound is aliphatic and aromatic. So the aromatic, due to this presence of benzene, they can give an aroma, pleasant smelling compound. So while classifying the organic compound, some of them are pleasant scents, odor, so that they are classified separately, and they find the compound with the smell. Aroma compounds have the group is called what, C6, so that they are classified as what, aromatic. Understand? So these are all the classification based on the structure of carbon atom. And next, the classification of organic compound based on the kinds of atom. So what are the elements present in the organic compound is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, nitrogen are going to be bounded with the carbon atom in different form. And this hydrocarbon, one of the classification of hydrocarbon means, in this case only the carbon is going to be bounded with hydrogen atom alone with n number. It can form large molecule as well as the smaller molecule. So the organic compound is going to be composed of, carbon and hydrogen. The compound with carbon and hydrogen is called what, hydrocarbons. And regarded as the parent organic compounds, and they are going to be derived as an hydrocarbon by replacing one or more hydrogen with other atom or groups. Understand? By replacing, if in the hydrocarbons one of the hydrogen, because the tetravalency, the carbon in the hydrocarbon, the tetravalency of carbon with either carbon or with the remaining bond with the hydrogen. If we want to add some other group, we want to replace hydrogen. If nitrogen or oxygen or sulfur is going to combine with the hydrocarbon, how we are going to bond? If one of the hydrogen present in the hydrocarbon is going to be replaced, to that place what is going to add it? Either nitrogen, oxygen or the other group is going to add it. So based on this, based on the hydrocarbons can be classified into 3 different classes. 3 different classes are called what? Alkanes. The hydrocarbons, already we learned that the open chain compound can be classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated, carbon single bond. Unsaturated, carbon double bond or carbon triple bond. So based on this, the hydrocarbon can have only single bond. They are called as what? Alkene. And the general formula for alkene is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So they are called as what? Saturated compound. They are called as saturated compound. So if you write N2, N equal to 2, so CnH2n plus 2 means C2. So 2n means 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6, H6. So this is called 1. 2 carbon means ethane. and if N equal to 3, C3H8, 3 carbon, propane. So these are all formed by the single bond, so that they are end with ANE, and because of 3 carbon the root word is given as what? Pro. We will see later that how to naming this. And N equal to 4, C4H10. This is called what? Butane. So how this compound is going? The structure of this compound 4 and the remaining all with hydrogen. H. Now you can see the structure of butane. 4 carbon, these are all bonded with hydrogen, carbon with hydrogens. So every carbon can be satisfied by tetravalency, 1 with carbon and 3 with hydrogen, and the second carbon 2 with carbon and 2 with hydrogen, and third carbon 2 with carbon and 2 with hydrogen, the last one 3. So this can be written as what? C, how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen, so that CH3, and they are bounded with the single bond. And then CH2, and they bound with single bond, CH2 and CH3. So name of this compound is butane. So the hydrocarbon can be classified as alkane, because all the in the hydrocarbon, the carbon atom has what? Only single bond, and the general molecular formula to represent the alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and they all called as what? Classified as what? Saturated compound. And next classification, next type of organic compound is alkene. Understand? So the alkene means the carbon double bond. So alkane means carbon single bond, and alkene means carbon double bond. Due to the presence of double bond, they are considered as what? Unsaturated compound. So the alkene group of compounds are unsaturated, and the general molecular formula to represent the alkene is CnH2n. CnH2n. Now we will see that N equal to 2, CnC2, 2n means what? 4. Now see this, here the carbon double bond. Understand? So already the tetravalency of carbon 2 has satisfied, and the remaining 2 can be with hydrogen. So that this compound can be expressed as CH2 double bond CH2. So naming 2 carbon present in this compound, so that eth, and the double bond present in this compound, so that ENE, ethene. And now N equal to 3. N equal to 3. So one of the carbon with the double bond. Now N equal to 3 means C3H6. So already this carbon satisfy with the two valency and remaining with hydrogen, and 3 and 1 with hydrogen, and already 1. So this with 3 hydrogen. How to represent? Now see, 3 carbon, how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen. So now how to express this compound? CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH3, alkene. So now how to naming? 3 carbon present, so that prop, and double bond present in this compound, so that propene. So one of the classification of organic compound is what? Alkene. And next one, next classification is alkynes. Alkynes, carbon triple bond. Alkynes is what? Carbon-carbon triple bond. Is classified as what? Alkynes. The compound with carbon-carbon triple bond, they are classified as alkyne. There comes under what? Unsaturated compound. There comes under unsaturated compound, and the general molecular formula for this CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. So, we will see some of the examples. So, now n equal to 3. So, n equal to 2. So, C2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 2, C2H2. What is the compound? C2H2. So, here the carbon-carbon triple bond. So, tetravalency for carbon, already 3 valency is going to be satisfied between carbon, and then one with hydrogen and one with hydrogen. So, this can be written as what? CH triple bond CH. So, what is the name? 2 carbon eth, YNE, ethine. And next n equal to 3. N equal to 3 means how many carbon? 3 carbon. And then how many? 3 into 2, 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. So, here one of the carbon has what? Triple bond. 3 carbon, 2 and 3. Now, first carbon satisfy already 3 valency. So, 1 with hydrogen. And already the second one satisfy with carbon. 3 plus 1, 4. So, there is no hydrogen atom. And this one 3 with hydrogen. So, this can be represented. How to write the formula? CH triple bond C single bond CH2. Now, you see this, how many carbon? 3 carbon and 4 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hydrogen. So, naming the compound prop. Prop YNE. Sorry, here. 3 carbon prop YNE due to the presence of triple bond. So, these are all the one of the classification of organic compound based on one, the number of bond, single bond, double bond and triple bond. Now, we are going to learn the hydrocarbon. Almost they are similar to what? The characteristics property of what? Organic compound only. The hydrocarbons and the lower member, the carbon with C1 to C4, the compound, the hydrocarbon compound with 4 carbon atom, they can be exist as a gas, and then C7 to C14, they can be exist as a volatile liquid, and more than C14, they are going to be considered as a waxy solid. So, this is one of the properties. So, that the methane, ethane, they all can be exist as in the form of gas, because methane is only 1 carbon and ethane C2H6 2 carbon. So, 1 to 4 they can exist as one gas. And then the boiling point of hydrocarbon. The boiling point of hydrocarbon increases by increasing the number of carbon atom. So, the boiling point is depends upon the number of carbon atom present in the compound, and then they undergo the combustion reaction. So, while burning with oxygen, they are going to form one carbon dioxide and water. So, that they produce greenhouse gases. While we are burning the fossil fuel, it produce what? Greenhouse gases. So, it more pollute our air. So, always the hydrocarbon, if you burn, it produce what? Carbon dioxide and water. So, that only we should not burn what? The tire and the plastic. These are all what? The hydrocarbons only. And they make what? More pollute to the air. And then the alkanes are least reactive. Why the alkanes are least reactive? Because they have one carbon-carbon single bond. When compared with other classes, what are the other classes? Alkene and alkyne. See why it is least reactive. If it involve only single bond, so we can able to easily break the single bond, so that it least react. If you go for the alkene, alkene, it has double bond. While involving this, first it should break one of the bond and then next one, and the same way in the triple bond compound. So due to the double bond and triple bond, they are more reactive when compared with the alkene. And then the alkynes are most reactive due to the presence of triple bond, and the alkanes are classified as saturated compound, and alkenes and alkynes are classified as what? Unsaturated. Unsaturated means the compound with double bond and triple bond, and they are insoluble in water. So almost they can match the properties similar to the organic compound. They are soluble in organic solvent like ether, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, like that. So these are all about the hydrocarbons, and next we will learn the properties of hydrocarbons in the next class. Thank you for watching this video, children. To receive our online lesson, please press subscribe button to receive the latest update. Thank you.